Hello viewers, welcome to MediC Vlogs. In this video, we are going to review the new Agaro Electric Vegetable Chopper. So I have put my unboxing video here. So this Agro Electric Chopper consists of mainly two pieces. One is the electric motor, which needs to be attached to the vegetable chopper base, and the chopper base comes with a rigid base. It comes as an anti-slip grip is there. If you can see this, there is a rubber. This is an anti-slip grip. So this, when you keep it in your countertop, it doesn't slip anywhere. When the motor runs, it fixes it very hard and spins around. Main thing which you can notice is when you are using a manual chopper, it is very hard and you have to put your hand pressure to not shake. But this anti-grip base doesn't makes it fall even the motor when it runs in the high speed. So if you take this chopper base, so what it consists of dual blades. In the top layer you can see one blade, and the bottom layer you can see another blades. So this set of blades chops any vegetables like you can't even imagine. It cuts any hard objects when it plays. So be careful when you're keeping your hands or something. So in my unboxing video itself, I would have shown they would have packed these blades with proper sealing of cover plastic so it doesn't hurt you. So once you put your blade inside, just close the lid with this plastic sealing cover they have given. Then place the motor in top of the base. Then this anti-grip will hold tight to the countertop of the kitchen. Then you just need to press this button which is saying power. You can hear the power switch. So just plug in the wire and put it. So the main thing which you will notice is even with the heavy load, it has a capacity of 500. But as per the shown in the user manual, which I show now, it consists of 200 to 250 grams of vegetables you can easily accommodate inside it, whether it's dry fruits or potato or cabbage. So just maintain the 250 grams so that you don't exceed that limit. So in the manual, there's a duration also provided. So don't cross that duration or it will become chutney. Chutney means more liquid that you can't eat. So now I will show you sample of the hardest vegetables which I have used and seen a demo. First thing I'm going to show you is you can also use non-veg items to chop. I'm going to show you a meat stick, how I'm going to chop it using this. The second item is the hardest potato. So in most of the South India, they use elephant yam potato. So if you leave it for a long time, it will become very black and very hard to eat. I'm going to chop that also. I'm going to show a sample to you. Next thing is most fibrous food, that is banana stem. See how easily it chops it. Till what you're waiting for? I have given the product link of this Agaro electric chopper in the description of the video or in the bio. Please click on that and buy. See you in the next nice video. Bye.